just been to see Her Majesty the Queen, and I will now form a government.
Pull the other one.
I have a plan.
The government should call a general election.
Do your worst.
Let us remove the risk of uncertainty and instability. Strengthen my hand when I negotiate for Britain in Europe. Britain simply will not get the right Brexit deal if we have the drift and division of a hung parliament.
Cut that out! Cut that out!
I had wanted to achieve a larger majority.
But you can't expect to wield supreme executive power.
We're the party that won most seats and most votes.
Well, I didn't vote for you.
What are you doing now?
What I'm doing now is actually getting on with the immediate job. I'll be meeting with my cabinet tomorrow.
When knights of the round table, we dance where we're able.
On Tuesday, I will be going to France for meetings with President Macron.
Hello?
It's about building a new, deep and special partnership with our European friends and neighbours. We will continue to work with our friends and allies in the Democratic Unionist Party. Those are productive talks.
We want a shrubbery.
This is what my cabinet, this is what my government will be getting on and doing.
Yeah. Yes. It is. Yeah.
This is a government getting on with the job.
Yes,
Yeah, we are.
We have been for some time.
Ages.
What I'm feeling is that actually there is a job to be done, and I think what the public want is to ensure that the government is getting on with that job.
Wait.
Here he is.
Oh, goodness me.
I warn you, he's got a vicious streak a mile wide. It's a killer.
Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed.
No. Yes, I bet you.
Oh, she is a bad person.
I have to confess, when me and my friends sort of used to run through the fields of wheat.
Stop it! Stop it!
Oh, she's wicked, bad